Dapat ang farmer may sariling tanim para sa sarili niya. So I have this model. May manok, may baboy, may gulay, may prutas for you. I have this series called Farm for Profit. When people ask me about farming, ayaw kita turuan paano mag-farm. Kailangan kita turuan paano sa ipakita. Palay lang ba tanim mo? Palay lang, no? Yun ang problema. Let me explain. Ang farmers ng Pilipinas normally isang crop. In 1 year, 2 season. Ilang season kayo? Lagay na natin 3. 3, okay? Maganda panahon, pangit panahon, maganda panahon, so lugi yung isa. Siguradong lugi yun. And then it goes up and down. Ang problema ng farming, you get your provision from the profit. Tama? So kung walang profit, mapapautang ka. Ito problema ko. Why are you taking your provision from your profit? Dapat ang farmer may sariling tanim para sa sarili niya. So I have this model. Dapat 1/10 of your land is for yourself. Ilang hektarya ka? 3. So 3,000 square meter should be for you. Meaning, may manok, may baboy, may gulay, may prutas for you. Now, simplihan lang natin ha. Lahat ng pagkain mo nakukuha doon sa 3,000. Okay, wala kang bibilin. I don't buy anything today. Pag pupunta ako sa grocery, I buy sabon. Okay, toothbrush, sabon, because I make my own food.